If you live in central or northern Maine, you probably saw a bit of snow earlier today. You're looking at some of it coming down in Smithfield over North Pond. This video was sent in to us by Jody using the Near Me section of our News Center Maine app. And as you can see there were a few birds out there enjoying it. And I can't say I'm ready for the snow.
No, you're not really a winter person?
No, not really. I like sitting inside and watching it fall, and it's pretty.
I feel like you could make it cozy, like a cup of hot chocolate, maybe a book or some TV. But we're already seeing some snow across the state. It depends on where you are, though. Some of us are seeing snow, some of us are seeing rain. So here's our area of low pressure that brought us some snow showers earlier today. At this point, most of the state is seeing rain. That's where our warmest parts of the state are, but in areas where we have temperatures at or below freezing or right around freezing, we are seeing some snow or mixed precipitation. So if you're in one of the areas where you see the pink especially, keep in mind there might be a light glaze of ice that comes from the precipitation falling there. So precip will continue on and off overnight, and our temperatures will actually be warming overnight. So our overnight lows and high temps tomorrow will be warmer than the high temperatures we saw today. And that means the precipitation that is currently mixed precip or snow will overnight change over into rain. And then the heavier rain starts to move in just after midday. That's when we have the most heavy rain. That'll be across the state. You'll see possibly even an embedded thunderstorm in areas of far southern Maine and New Hampshire. After dinner time, again, we start to break up that precipitation. So keep in mind during the day tomorrow, it's not going to be raining the whole day, but expect that there will be rain around during the day. And then this system clears out by Tuesday. We start out with the coast a little bit of sunshine, but we'll have very windy conditions, winds out of the west about 30 miles an hour at some spots. And then the mountains may see an isolated snow shower during the afternoon, and those could move across the northern part of the state there as well. So in terms of our rain chances tomorrow, most of the heavy rain is going to be in the second half of the day, but we still will have some shower activity during the day in the morning. So really, it's a good day to bring an umbrella and the rain boots. So in terms of how much rainfall we actually get, most of us will see about ½ an inch to an inch of rain in total, which should help the drought conditions a little bit, though unfortunately it's not nearly enough to reverse our drought entirely. It's also going to be a bit breezy during the day on Tuesday, winds out of the west mostly, about 25 to 30 miles an hour, though we might have some isolated wind gusts that are stronger than that. Marine forecast sees 3 to 8 feet. Water temperature is 52. That's actually why the coastal temperatures today were warmer than areas inland. It has that ocean influence. The gale watch there is going to be in effect for Tuesday, but there is a small craft advisory in effect right now. So in terms of our 7-day forecast, we're going to continue to see temperatures rising overnight. We'll see any areas that are having mixed precipitation or snow change over into rain by the time we get to tomorrow morning. Then that on and off rain will continue throughout the entire day. Tomorrow, most of that heavy rain will be in the afternoon hours. And then we'll start to see clearing during the day. Tuesday, there is an isolated chance for some snow showers in the mountains. It'll also be quite windy. Remember that Tuesday is Veterans Day. Then there is a chance for what we call a drop or a flake, a very light shower during the day Wednesday because of an unsettled pattern that's going to stick around for most of the rest of the week. So Sam, overall, the rest of the 7-day forecast is going to feature more clouds than sun, and temperatures a bit below average for this time of year, but in general, the second half of the week is going to be a lot drier than the first half of the week.
All right, Dana, thank you so much.